This conversation is powered by Google Illuminate. Check out illuminate.google.com for more. Welcome to today's discussion. We'll be diving into the services offered by West LA Computer Expert, a company specializing in PC help and network support. What immediately strikes you about their business model and online presence?
Their website clearly emphasizes their expertise and experience over 2 decades in the field, A+ and MCP Microsoft certifications. They also highlight their responsiveness, promising same-day or next-day service, which is a key selling point for customers needing urgent computer repairs. The numerous positive testimonials further build trust and credibility.
The testimonials are overwhelmingly positive. What do you think contributes to this consistently high level of customer satisfaction?
The testimonials point to several factors: Dan's, presumably the owner, quick response time, on-time arrival, thoroughness in addressing problems, fair pricing, and friendly demeanor. The fact that customers mention using his services for years speaks volumes about his reliability and the quality of his work.
They offer a wide range of services, from virus removal to network support and web design. How do you think they manage to offer such diverse services while maintaining high quality?
Their certifications and long experience suggest a strong foundation of technical skills. The fact that they're a family-owned business might contribute to a personalized approach and a commitment to customer satisfaction. Offering a range of services likely allows them to cater to a broader client base and potentially manage workload more effectively.
The hourly rate of $90 seems fairly standard for this type of service. Is there anything that sets their pricing apart from competitors?
The website doesn't explicitly detail their pricing structure beyond the hourly rate. However, the consistent praise for their fair pricing suggests that the value they provide justifies the cost. Customers seem to appreciate the honesty and transparency in their billing.
Their service area covers a large part of Los Angeles. How do you think they manage logistics for such a wide geographical reach?
Efficient scheduling and potentially a well-organized team are crucial for managing a wide service area. They might use route optimization software or have multiple technicians to cover different regions effectively. The website's clear contact information and multiple ways to reach them, phone, WhatsApp, contact form, also suggests a streamlined communication process.
The website mentions system optimization as a free service included with every repair. What's the strategic advantage of offering this?
Including system optimization as a free add-on is a smart marketing strategy. It enhances customer satisfaction by providing extra value and potentially improving the longevity of their repairs. It also subtly positions them as proactive problem solvers, not just reactive fixers.
The website is quite comprehensive, including testimonials, service descriptions, contact information, and even a contact form. What's your overall impression of their online presence?
The website is well-structured, easy to navigate, and provides all the necessary information for potential clients. The use of testimonials and clear service descriptions builds trust and confidence. The multiple contact options make it convenient for customers to reach out.
What are some of the key takeaways from this analysis of West LA Computer Expert?
Their success stems from a combination of technical expertise, excellent customer service, efficient operations, and a well-designed online presence. Their focus on responsiveness, fair pricing, and personalized service seems to be a winning formula.
Do you think their business model is easily scalable?
Scaling would likely involve expanding their team of technicians and potentially refining their scheduling and logistics systems. Maintaining the high level of customer service as they grow would be a key challenge.
What potential areas for improvement do you see?
While the website is good, adding case studies or more detailed explanations of complex services could further enhance its appeal. Also, incorporating client reviews from other platforms, like Google reviews, could strengthen their online reputation.
How does their focus on both residential and business clients affect their strategy?
Catering to both markets requires a flexible approach. They need to tailor their communication and service offerings to meet the specific needs of each client segment. This might involve different pricing structures or specialized services for businesses.
What's the overall competitive landscape for computer repair services in West LA?
The area likely has many competitors, so differentiation is key. West LA Computer Expert's strong online presence, positive reviews, and emphasis on quick service give them a competitive edge.
This has been a very informative discussion. Thank you for your insights.